Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your ad creatives from Canva into folders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. Navigate to the Your Projects section. Select the project that contains the ad creatives you want to back up. Click on the project to open it. Once inside, check the list of designs. Locate the ad creatives you wish to save. For each design, click on it to open it in the editor. Go to the top right corner and click on the Download button. Choose your desired file format, such as PNG or JPG. Adjust any settings if needed, like quality or size. Click the Download button to the file to your computer. Create a designated folder on your computer for your Canva ad creatives. Name the folder clearly for easy identification. Go back to your Downloads folder where the images have been saved. Drag each downloaded image into the designated folder. Repeat this process for each ad creative you want to back up. Once all files are in the folder, double-check to ensure everything is saved correctly. You now have your ad creatives backed up in an organized folder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.